హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. మార్నింగ్ 7:30కి లేచి రెడీ అయ్యాను. రెడీ అవుతే అక్కడ టైం లిమిట్ అంట 9:30 గంట మాకెళ్ళ బుకింగ్ టైం బట్టి. ఇప్పుడు టైం వచ్చేసరికి 9 అయింది. ఇంకో హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్లో బయలుదేరదామని ఇంకా 7:30 మళ్ళీ పడుకొని 8కి లేచా. ఇంకా రెడీ అయ్యి చూస్తే ఇంకా టైం కోసం ఇంకా బయటకు వచ్చి కూర్చున్నా. ఇదిగో రూమ్ అది మాది లోపల. ఇదిగో ఇక్కడ కనపడతాను, చూసారా? అదే రూము. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చా, కాఫీ ఆర్డర్ పెట్టా, అందుకే ఇక్కడికి బయట కూర్చొని ఉన్నా. ఇక్కడ మొత్తం నేమ్స్తో రాసి భలే చేశారు. ఇవన్న ప్రతిదీ ఇక్కడ ఒక్క చాటే అని కాదు, మొత్తం వాళ్ళు మొత్తం ఏదో ఒకటి ఇండియా బొమ్మ కానీ, ఏదన్నా ప్లేసుల బొమ్మ కానీ, మ్యాప్స్ కానీ, కొటేషన్స్ కానీ చాలా చాలా చేశారు. ఈరోజు మేము అయితే ఇక్కడ మధ్యాహ్నం బయలుదేరదాం అనుకుంటున్నాం. 12కి కానీ 1కి కానీ. 12-1కి బయలుదేరి ఇంకా ఆల్మోస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోతాం. కేదార్నాథ్ దాకా వెళ్ళాంలే, కానీ మధ్యలో ఏడన్నా ఆగుతాం. కేదార్నాథ్ అనుకున్నాం మేము. ట్రిప్లో కొంచెం చేంజ్ ఇది. మొన్న అనుకున్నాం, చెప్పలేదు నేను నిన్న ట్రైన్లో. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. నిన్న ట్రైన్లో చెప్పలేదు. మేము లడాక్ కాకుండా మనాలి సైడ్ వెళ్ళకుండా ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ కేదార్నాథ్ వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. కేదార్నాథ్ వెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ రిటర్న్ వచ్చి మనాలి, లడాక్ వెళ్తాం. లడాక్ మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ వెళ్తాం. బైక్ వీడియోసే పెట్టలేకపోతున్నా. నిన్న ట్రై చేసే ఇక్కడ షోల్డరింగ్ చేసేవాళ్ళు ఎవరు లేరు. కెమెరాస్కి చేసేవాళ్ళు అయితే లేరంట. మేబీ పైకి వెళ్ళే కొందికి ఉంటే అక్కడ చేపిస్తా, లేదంటే నేను పక్కా ఏదో చేసి మాత్రం మీకు వీడియోస్ పెడతా. ఆడికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత అరే బైక్ ఈ వీడియోస్ లేవు, ఘాట్ రోడ్ లేదు అనుకోబాకండి, ఏదో ఒకటి చేసైనా పెడతాను. కాఫీ కూడా వచ్చింది, షుగర్ విత్ కాఫీ తీసుకున్నా. నా బైక్ పార్కింగ్ చూడండి, లోపల తీసుకొచ్చి పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. పైన బాగుంది, కింద బాగుంది. అసలు ఈ హోటల్ జాయ్స్ ఆల్రెడీ నిన్న దాంట్లో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో లింక్ ఇచ్చేసా. ఆల్రెడీ నా వీడియో అప్లోడ్ కూడా అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడే అప్లోడ్ చేసిన తర్వాత కరెక్ట్ కాఫీ వచ్చింది అప్లోడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు. ఆన్లైన్ టికెట్స్ చేసాం కదా, ఇది ఎంట్రీ.
So these all pictures according to the year wise, how did the partner before and now. This year before, Tiger report in yellow and in the black spotted. So with the help of the natural mud, we call volcanic mixture to be clean the partner. They do not use any kind of chemical to clean the partner.
చూడండి కింద ఏ ఇయర్లో ఎట్లా ఉంది, ప్రతి ఇయర్కి చూపిస్తున్నారు. సంవత్సరానికి ఎట్లా మారుతుంది తాజ్మహల్ అనేది.
Before it looked like a yellow, there's a yellow spotted, and after clean it looked like a white. So with the help of the natural mud, they clean without any kind of chemical.
Okay.
And this is the back side of a Taj Mahal. Here's a foundation of a black Taj Mahal. You heard about the black Taj Mahal? Yeah. Actually, who emperor built the Taj Mahal, he once built below another Taj Mahal for himself. There. This place is known as the Mehtabad.
Mehtabad. Drinking.
Stand here for 1 minute, please. Just stand here, please sir. So first I would like to tell you something about the program. During the days of Mahabharata, this city founded by Maharaja Aghasen. So those days this city called Agravan city, but nowadays this city called Agra. Agra had 78 kilometer areas and 2.1 million population in Agra. Agra has not a industries, not a factory. Problem is the pollution, so Agra is depend only for the tourism. So this is the 4 courtyard of a Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal 4 courtyard has a 3, and this is gate. First is the eastern gate, that's a VIP gate. All VIP like a president, prime minister from all over the world, they came the same gate. And today you also came the same gate. So you can imagine, you also VIP for us. Second, a western, third is southern gate. That's the main entrance gate, so that's a gate called the Royal Gate.
Royal
The gate height bottom to 115 feet, wide is 8 feet. The outside four to
115 or 50?
15.
15.
115.
Okay.
So outside Fort Kojar has a 215 rooms, so we can see in everywhere. So that time visitor and security lived here, but now these are closed. Only security living here in eastern side, which you can see here. The outside building completed the red sandstone. The red sandstone brought from Fatehpur Sikri, which is about 45 kilometers far from here. Inside we can see a white marble called Makarana from Rajasthan in Nagaur district, which is about 265 kilometers far from here. And now you can see some colors are there. You can see?
Yeah.
It's not a color, not a paint. That's the art called Ill-Labor. Agra is popular all over the world, just only for this kind of art. You're looking these all color and painting, but these all the stones. But nobody knows now till how they done this kind of art that time without any kind of machinery. In 16th century, not a machinery. So these all are done by hand. Look at a very beautiful calligraphy. It is the first verses of Quran in Arabic language. We can see in a whole building of 14 verses of Quran. And it's not a black color. It's a black onyx stone. This building about 367 years old, now running 368. But nothing art is damaged from there, same as it is. If you will go any monument in India, you will see there the mostly art has been damaged from there by the time. The reason there's a painting and color, and here same as it is, the reason these all are stones, not a color. Look at the main entrance. Over the main entrance, we can see a small dome. So please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The 11 dome outside and 11 dome inside. Total 22 domes. It is the sign this beautiful building completed 22 years. In the time of Mughal, that time not a calendar, that time nothing. That's why they put a dome to remember how long this building took to complete. So 22 domes, 22 years. Yes, sir.
వచ్చేసరి పైన వైట్ స్టోన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, దానిపైన కలర్ కాదు, రాజస్థాన్లో అవి దొరుకుతాయి, అట్లా అప్పట్లో నుంచి చేశారు. ఇలాంటిగా ఇట్లా ఆర్ట్ ఉన్నది ఫస్ట్ మన ఇండియాలోనే వచ్చిందంట. ఇవన్నీ వచ్చేసరికి రూమ్స్ అంట సైనికులు ఉంటాయి ఆయనకి. ఆ పైన వచ్చేసరికి గోపురాలు ఇటులేవనో అట్లేవనో టోటల్ 22 ఉంటాయంట. 4 వైపులా ఓపెన్ ప్లేస్ అంట, ఇటు ఈస్ట్ వెస్ట్ నార్త్. అదే పిఎం అయినా ఎవరైనా అక్కడి నుంచి రావాలంట, మనం వచ్చిన ప్లేస్ నుంచే. ఇది రాయల్ ఎంట్రీ అంట, ఇది ఒకటి.
When you will go inside, he will take your picture. When you will come out, the picture will be ready.
And we'll give you soft copy also. Transfer your phone to print and soft copy, both of them. Not too much, only 60 rupees. One picture. We'll take crowd left, like a holding one, Princess Di Diana bench, arches, reflection of the water. So many angles.
This is the main point of the photography.
Take few, not many. Take few, like a souvenir. Sure. One picture here. Main gate, rest will do inside. You want? Sir?
చెప్పరే సంగతి.
I need this and this. Yeah, come here.
A reason are very beautiful, the inlay art. But nobody knows till how they done this kind of art that time without any kind of machinery. Because these all are done by the hand. In 16th century, not a machinery. Convention of Latin 1880.
రాయల్ ఎంట్రీ లాంటిదంతా. తాజ్ మహల్ ఎంటర్ అయ్యాం.
It's always look different. It always change the color. The sunrise time it look like a white, like a milk, and noon time little bit yellow. Sunset time look like a pink. But if you want to see the beauty of a Taj Mahal, then you should have to see the Taj Mahal during a full moon time. You heard about a full moon?
Yeah, I got.
Every day, this building opens sunrise to sunset. But during a full moon time, this building opened one more time in the midnight, 8:30 to 12.
Okay.
Then we can see the beauty of a Taj Mahal.
Yeah,
I will
yeah.
explain you later how you look this building during a full moon time.
Okay.
First, we will finish the photography, then I will give you the all information about Taj Mahal.
Okay, right.
High under picture, nobody knows. There are more than 1,000 angles here. Let's stand there in the shadow of tree, and there I will give you the all information about Taj Mahal. It's a well, it's dry.
బావి ఇది వాటర్ ఉంటుంది వాటర్ లేవు చాలా లోతుంది మరి
Tell you about the Mughal emperor. The first Mughal emperor, Jahiruddin Babur. He was born 1483 and he came to India 1526. When he came to India, 4 years after he was died. The second Mughal emperor, Humayun, after his father died, ascended the throne Humayun in Delhi. The third Mughal emperor, Akbar the Great, he built 3 monuments in Agra. The fourth Mughal emperor, Jahangir, he was a great drinker. The fifth Mughal emperor, Shahjahan, who built the Taj Mahal. The sixth Mughal emperor, Aurangzeb, he was a very cruel person, so he could not any kinds of building. But he was so religious, so built a one mosque in Agra Red Fort. But nowadays, under in army, so nobody allowed there. So this beautiful building built by Shahjahan, the sweet memory of her wife Mumtaz Mahal. This beautiful building completed 22 years, 1631 to 1653, and 20,000 workers work day and night. Then this beautiful building completed. This building height bottom to up to 143 feet, about 85 meters.
Okay.
The dome height 80 feet, the tower height 148 feet. We can see top of a Taj Mahal half moon, the symbol of Muslim. Because all Mughal emperors, they belong to the Muslim religion. That's why we can see top of a Taj Mahal half moon. And in the time of Mughal, it was a gold. When the British came here, they took out everything from here. I think you heard about the Billu Kohinoor diamond. You heard about the Billu Kohinoor diamond?
Kohinoor Dam, yeah.
One of the most expensive diamond
Yeah.
in the diamond. But now in the London Museum, they took that diamond from the Agra Red Fort. This is a mosque which is behind of a tree, and that's a guest house. But the both building looking similar, different only name. Because according to the Muslim mythology, the Mecca mosque in the west side, in this direction. This building also towards of Mecca. That's why this building called mosque, and that's the guest house. The Friday is the closing day of Taj Mahal.
Yeah, yesterday.
So every Friday Taj Mahal closed. So that day, who Muslim people living near a building, they come on Friday for prayer. So it's still working. Shahjahan was born 1590 and Mumtaz was born 1592. They married 1612. She had a 14 kids.
Wow.
When she gives kids number 14, delivery time she was died. That time she was only 39 years old. She was very young. Shahjahan and Mumtaz is not an actual name. The Shahjahan's real name Prince Khurram and Mumtaz Prince Khurram. Prince Khurram. And Mumtaz real name Arjuman Banu Begum. Shahjahan is a title. You know what's the meaning of Shahjahan and what's the meaning of Mumtaz? Shah means king. Jahan means world. The meaning of Shahjahan, king of the world. The meaning of Mumtaz, Mum means love. Taj means crown. The meaning of Mumtaz, love of crown.
Okay.
It is one of the wonders of the world. The reason are very beautiful, the stonework, and second, it's a symmetrical. When you will see this building from east, west, south, and north, from the all four sides, it look like the same from the all four sides.
Yeah, I know.
That time, without that time, not any technology, nothing in that time. And now look at the tower. You're looking, these are stand in a straight position, but these are not stand in a straight position. The tower 6 degree, leaning in outside. It just look like this. Just suppose, like an earthquake time, the heavy storm time, the tower not fall down over a building, fall down in outside. It is not only from the front. When you will see this building from east, west, south, and north, when
Yeah,
you see
it's
the tower,
some
it's
cross
like
here.
the same from the all four sides. It's leaning in outside.
Yeah.
Because nobody knows the earthquake, the heavy storm will come from the east and west, south and north. That's why the form of the all four sides is look like the same. This building took a more time. The reason that time not a heavy transport. So they brought the all material with the help of the animal. Like a bullock cart, a camel, horse, elephant, that's the reason this building took a more time. She never seen the Taj Mahal. He started construction of a Taj Mahal after her death. And during the same time, she was buried in Burhanpur, which is about 35 kilometers far from here. When the white was complete, he brought the dead body from the Burhanpur and then buried here.
After that, it started to work.
Huh?
After when he
Yeah.
buried here, then it
After her
started.
death, he started construction after her death.
Okay.
Same time, she was buried in Burhanpur, in 35 kilometers far from here. When the
Okay.
white was completed, he brought the dead body from there and then buried here. And let me tell you about the full moon. Mostly foreigners
Hold
they
on.
want to see the Taj Mahal during a full moon time because they want to see the beauty, which is possible only in the midnight. We can see a very beautiful art there, the color flowers, the color stones.
Yeah.
When you will see this building during a full moon time from here, you're looking we decorated this building with the help of the light. But there's nothing, just only the stone. The stones is work like a twinkle twinkle. It's look a more beautiful. You're looking we decorated this building with the help of the color light, but there's nothing, just only the stone. The stones look like a twinkle twinkle. And the white marble, it's look a more beautiful like because the white marble is so transparent. The white marble is one of the hardest marble in the world. It is harder than the Australian Italian.
Oh.
You heard about the black Taj Mahal I told you before?
Ah.
Actually, who emperor built the Taj Mahal for his wife, which is right hand side of a Yamuna river, he want build another black Taj Mahal for himself. The left hand side of a Yamuna river. So when he was going to build another black Taj Mahal for himself, during the same time his son Aurangzeb put your father in a prison, which is in Agra Red Fort. Then after 8 years he was died when he was about 72 years old. Then his daughter Jahanara brought the dead body from the prison and then buried here right hand side of a Mumtaz.
Back
So
side.
it's- No, inside.
Inside.
So it's not a palace, it's a mausoleum because of both are buried here. King
Okay.
and a queen. And when you will stand behind of a Taj Mahal from there, we can see a foundation of a black Taj Mahal. But dream incomplete. You know why he put your father in a prison? The reason black Taj Mahal 4 times more expensive than the white. That's why put your father in a prison, capture the throne, become a king. Let's see the beauty from inside. And in this tower, 200 round stairs to go up. But now it's a close, so nobody can go up.
Oh. 209.
200 only. 200 round stairs.
200 now round షేర్స్ అంట అవి మనం ఎవరం పైకి వెళ్ళలేమంట 200 టికెట్స్ అని ఎక్స్ట్రా మొత్తం 250 అయింది 500 అయింది మా ఇద్దరి మీద అంటే లోపలికి వెళ్ళటానికి 200 అంట ఇక్కడ లోపల గేట్కి ఎంటర్ అవుతా 50 రూపీస్ టోటల్ 250 మనిషికి వచ్చి ఈ 250 టికెట్ ఇక్కడ చూపించాలంట మనకి